Hello everyone, Ashutosh come back with yet another video that what has life taught you recently. So I think it's a very common topic and we all have our own experience that what life has taught us in this recent experience. Might be many of you learned how to play the some games. Might be you learned about how to play the various new skills, instruments, and everything which you have want to do, but you cannot do because of your busy schedule. You was busy in your routine job. And you just going to 9 to 8. Your job it is there, and you just go outside and do your job. So in this period, you get the time, leisure time to do, to think, and to realize what's your life and where it is going on. So for me also it was a very good experience. I get the opportunity to think about myself. I instant out going outside, I gone deeper inside and realize what I am, what the things I like to do, what are the things, what are the things inside me are not well, and I could improve. I understood little bit more about myself. What are my thinking? What are my thoughts? I understood myself more and more, and become a better version of myself, which was the last and now. So this exercise I did, and I also given little bit time to be with my family, and maintaining the bit more harmony and more good and healthy relationships. So I got the opportunity to be with my family, and moreover I got the time to sharpen my skills, what are things I really want to do. So these all things is my learning with this lockdown. I really realized that life is not about to going daily to office and chasing the some materialistic target. Its thing is life is going inside, going deeper inside, and going for the meditation, going for the spiritual well-being, and realizing that you are not only the person who made for the achieving the some materialistic target. Life is beyond this, more vast, more large, more massive. So this is all my learning. I hope you all have also some learnings. I would request to write in on this comment box what's your learning, what's your experience in this lockdown, and I also request to hit the bell button and subscribe my channel to get the more and more update, and be with me, grow with Ashutosh. Bye, meet you soon.